A man named Bob, fed up with his monotonous life, decided to spice things up by buying a pet parrot. The pet store owner warned him, "This parrot repeats everything it hears." Bob thought nothing of it and brought the bird home. He soon realized the parrot's dark talent, repeating all of Bob's inner thoughts. "Life is pointless," the parrot echoed during breakfast. "No one will miss you," it squawked over dinner. Bob, unnerved, tried to silence the bird, but it only grew louder. One day he snapped, yelling, "I can't take it anymore." The parrot, with a final eerie laugh, whispered, "Then why are you still here?" Bob moved out the next day. The parrot, of course, stayed.